That one actually sucked the moisture out of my mouth. A little bit. Good thing I got some Cougar Light.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Hey guys, I'm out here at the Carnival Fairgrounds in Helotes, Texas. There's a cook-off out here, and I'm gonna be judging brisket. We're gonna go see what we can find. See if we can get in some trouble. It's good.
Okay.
Have fun?
Yeah.
I'll take yes. Dollar table 2. Dollar table 2.
10.
Table 1, table 2, table 3.
The reason why I gave it a 5 is because it didn't pull apart.
Mr.
Very
Bud.
good. Have good flavor. I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with 12. Go with 7 on that.
Keep the Joe and 12.
This is box number 2, table 1.
I like that one.
Looking sharp.
Wow.
15.
Huh?
That's not good to eat.
You can't start at 15.
Huh?
You can't start at 15.
Yeah, you can't get anywhere. I'm shit. I'm like 7. Dang it. 8.
You want 8?
I want 8. I want 8.
He wanted to start it at 15. See, I like this.
8.
8. We'll go 16. That one was really good. Juicy, tender.
Heavy.
It's a lot of meat in there.
Any more fair bases?
Yes. What do you want? Oh, that looks
Whatever's cold. 3. And some chocolate milk for that one there.
that one?
And the Titleist hat.
Oh. We don't have any chocolate cow. You want this?
Yes, ma'am. Great. I'm going 5 on that. Lemon lime.
Yes.
We're gonna go 10.
Thank
It was a little dry. I can't even cut it. That's how tough it is.
Damn it, Jimbo.
It ain't looking good, Quattro.
I didn't see a marble in it.
Mamma mia.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to go 2 at this.
If the number is in black, then that's the number that it came in order. Okay? Big
We're starting a new thing.
Looked at it.
I like how other names are
We're going 3 on that one. Quattro wants to resole his boots with that last one. That was tough.
I just won't do a whole lot more.
Getting close to the end of the round. Very good. That's as I hear the whole looks of a lively
It's like waffles.
It does.
And I can do
She's
one
thinking
different.
she's gonna win everything.
Now don't make it go away. We just slow down on the brain. Would you agree? It's not hard to go out.
Where were you on? Where were you at on that one? You were 4 on that one, right?
Yeah.
You're out. We're gonna go with 6 on the last one.
Give it a 9.
It ain't cutting too good.
We might just be definitely.
Still working on that one. Oh, did you leave your plate, Mr. Buddy?
No, I just dumped it.
Oh, okay.
I just dumped it. Would you go too?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta eat the whole thing.
Did y'all do number 6?
No, ma'am.
Going three on this one. These last couple ones, not very good.
That's what we are.
When you have to cut it and saw at it,
Number 7. You just gave me a 5.
this one tastes like steak.
That is not good. That is pretty good.
One got so recycled. 6.
What'd you give that one?
Maybe so.
I believe it started turf war, but Homer a little behind on Appleseeds in the bucket.
It ain't gonna be on
3.
Aggies, come on, you want them long ones to win.
7.
Come on up, these 4 leaders.
Or number 7.
That's because I'm not out in the park selling tickets.
That one looks better. Oh, there you go. That looks appealing. There we are. Look at that. That looks like a $high piece of meat.
Crystallize that marble. That's an H-E-B barbecue there, boy.
I'm gonna go 2 bites on that one.
Don't get your
Where were you at on that?
You're not supposed to warn them.
Alright. So,
That there's good brisket.
yeah, it is.
Solid bark, solid ring.
Let's go 12 for me and Buddy. I like that brisket. No?
Have I done something to you?
Now?
Okay, that's fine.
That one doesn't have good flavor.
Could be No. Can I get a sharper knife?
Yes, it's over here.
Well, I had not graded a 9. I thought it was a 9.
Okay flavor, it's just hard.
Just break my pen and it's confusing them.
I'm gonna go, we're gonna go 4 from here.
Y'all are making my job harder now. Stop it.
That one's tough too. A lot of tough briskets tonight.
Crazy balls.
I'm going 2. I'm going 5 from here. She said she learned it in prison.
And here she is with our children.
Yeah, that's right. Best damn balloon knot tire in south of the Pecos. Picked up a couple of hitchhikers over here. We got Superman and Super Coco.
No, I'm super deer.
Hey, don't do that. Don't do that.
I actually kill her.
So the wife and kids met me over here at the cook-off, and
Daddy,
I've never.
Mommy?
Mommy, she's in front of us. It's the first time of me judging.
Daddy, I don't see her.
I don't know where she is, but she's in front of us. That's the first time I've ever judged brisket, and it was 28 different. I think there's 30 teams, but only 28 people turned. 28 teams turned in brisket. Some of them, well, I already said, some of them were freaking good, and some of them were freaking horrible. But it's, you know, what they say, never trust a skinny cook. Don't know what that has to do with brisket being good or bad, but I'll bet the ones that were bad was from a skinny cook. Anyway, I digress.
Daddy's not looking in front of us.
Not right in front of us. So, I hope you like my brisket judging video. And if you did, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me.
Blah, 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 blah.
Follow me at Texas Beard Adventures on Instagram. And we'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies!
So is that it? Or you gonna leave the moat look off? Oh man.
Oh man.
I want my wife to see me show up with the blonde tonight.
I can put it back on. Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
You've been carrying those power tools around?
Yeah. I mean, well, this is one of my vices. I have issues with tools.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen, probably. Oh.
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
Ain't sitting too good. Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10%'s really got me going.
Is that DNR? All right, cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.